In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change document background color in Google Docs. If you're looking to give your document a little personality, highlight certain sections, or simply make long pages easier on the eyes, changing the background color is a quick win. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few practical tips so your document stays clear and readable. Start by opening your file in Google Docs. This can be an existing document you're already working on or a brand new one. Make sure everything you need is on the page so you can immediately see how the color change affects your text and layout. Next, head to the top menu bar and click File. From the drop-down, choose Page Setup. This is the control center for your document's page settings. Things like page orientation, margins, paper size, and importantly for us today, background color. In the page setup window, look for the option labeled page color. You'll see a small color swatcher palette icon next to it. This is where you'll pick the color that becomes the background for your entire document. Click on page color to open the palette. You can browse through the available colors and choose the one that best fits the tone of your document. If you're creating a cover page, a soft accent can make your title stand out. For longer text-heavy documents, lighter shades are usually best because they maintain strong contrast with black or dark text, which helps with readability. As you hover over colors, imagine how paragraphs of text will look against them. Subtle pastels, warm grays, or very light tints often strike a good balance between style and comfort. Once you've selected your preferred color, click OK to apply the change. Your document will update immediately, and you'll see the new background behind all your content. If it feels too bold or not quite right, no worries. Just return to File, then Page Setup, and pick a different shade until it looks the way you want. Take a quick moment to review your document from top to bottom. Check that headers, body text, and any images or tables still stand out clearly. If you notice eye strain or reduced legibility, switch to a lighter color. Remember, the goal is to enhance your document, not distract from its content. And that's it. You've customized your document's background color in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.